Welcome to Vidyesh Academy. Today we learn equation of tangent and normal. To find equation of tangent and normal to the curve at given point, first we draw the graph diagram like this. This is our coordinate system. This x-axis, y-axis, and any function can be represented by this curve, say this curve of any function fx. Now we have to find equation of tangent to this curve. Let this we draw. Suppose this is a tangent to this curve at given point P, X, Y. Also, normal is perpendicular to this tangent at that point. Like this is our normal, and which is perpendicular to tangent. So we get some ideas about tangent and normal to the given function. So I give some important steps to how to find equation of tangents and normal. First, students can note these steps with this diagram. Now, first steps, we write given function as y is equal to f of x. First write given function as y is equal to f of x. Say this is our equation first. Now differentiate with respect to x is our second step. We get dy by dx is equal to derivative of these functions. Now this is second step. Keep. Now we have to find slope of this tangent line first. To find slope, we put or find dy by dx at given point x, comma y. That is, we have to put given point in this equation, that value of x and also value of y in this derivative. So we get the slope of tangent, say m1. Now tangent is also a line, so we have to write equation of tangent in slope point form. As finally in fourth step we write equation of line in slope point form, that is y minus y1 is equal to m1 into bracket x minus x1. Now in this equation we put the given points, x values of given points x1, y1 and slope of tangent m1, and after simplifying this equation we get a required equation of tangent line, say ax plus by is equal to c1. So in this way we get the equation of tangent. Now for similarly we find equation of normal. Next takes steps for normal. So we first find the slope of normal. As we know, normal is perpendicular to the tangent. So product of their slope is -1. Now slope of normal, say m2 is equal to -1 upon slope of tangent, that is m1. And finally we write the equation of normal also in slope point form. Y minus y1 is equal to m2 into bracket x minus x1. Now simplifying this equation by putting the values of point x1 y1 and also the slope, and simplify this equation, we get equation of normal as bx minus ay is equal to c2. Now clearly see, this is equation of tangent and this is equation of normal. Verifying this, coefficient of x is a, which is transferred to the coefficient of y, and in equation of tangent, coefficient of y is transferred to the coefficient of x in normal equation. So these steps are very important and useful to the students to find equation of tangent and normal. So we take some sums to better understanding. As if we have to give an equation of, to find equation of tangent, suppose we have to give one function as f of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 and point 1 comma 2. That is, we have to find equation of tangent and normal to the curve x square minus 5x plus 6 at point 1, 2. Now we use these steps to find the equation of tangent and normal. So first write given function as y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Now for second step we have to differentiate this equation with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to derivatives of x square minus 5x plus 6. Now derivative of x square is 2 times x minus derivative of 5 times x is minus 5. Now dy by dx is equal to, we get 2x minus 5. This is our second equation. Now in this second equation we have to put given point as 1, 2. That means values of x is equal to given 1 and y is equal to 2. We find dy by dx at point 1, 2 is equal to 2 times 1 minus 5. Now we get 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3, and this is the slope of tangent at point of tangent. say m1. Now we write the equation of line in slope point form. Equation of tangent in slope point form as y minus y1 is equal to m1 into bracket x minus x1. Now substituting the values of point x1, y1, we get y minus 2 is equal to minus 3 times x minus 1. Now simplify, y minus 2 is equal to minus 3x plus 3. Now to the next step, we transfer this minus 3x on left hand side, that is we have to collect variables on one side and keep constants on another side. So next step, equation becomes 3x plus y is equal to 3 plus 2. See, we transfer this negative 3x on left hand side, 3x plus y. Now this constant on right hand side, 3 plus 2. That means finally we get 3x plus y is equal to 5, and this is our equation of tangent. Now for normal, we find first slope. For normal, first we have to find slope of normal as m2 is equal to minus 1 upon slope of tangent. As normal is perpendicular to tangent and product of their slope is minus 1. So we get the formula m2 is equal to minus 1 upon slope of tangent. Now slope of tangent is equal to, we have to find here minus 3. Now reciprocal of minus 3, we get 1 upon 3. In this way we find slope of normal is 1 upon 3. Now finally we find equation of normal. So we write as y minus y1 is equal to m2 into bracket x minus x1. Now put the points, given points, and slope of m2, y minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3 times x minus 1. Now simplifying this equation, transfer this denominator on left hand side to multiply LHS. 3 times y minus 2 is equal to x minus 1. 3y minus 6 is equal to x minus 1. Keep x positives, x minus 3y, and this constant on left hand side to get the sign plus 1. So finally we get the equation of normal x minus 3y is equal to minus 5. In this way we get equation of normal, and we check the coefficient of x is 3, which is to the with opposite sign, coefficient of y, and coefficient of y is 1, which is to be x. So in this way we find equation of tangents and normal to the given curve at given point. So